Did you know that you can set up your Archicad file so that drawings are automatically numbered? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Archicad for near on 10 years now. I used to teach all of my students at the local college, and now I've got my own school community. I'll put the link in the description for that. So this is how you can update your drawing numbering very quickly. If you set up your folders correctly, when you drag a drawing from one folder to the next, it automatically updates. If you drag the order of those drawings, they update automatically as well. Let's put that back into there. This elevations should be here. You'll see it automatically gets the number. If I grab that whole folder and move it, they automatically renumber. This is all to do with the setting up of the folder settings. Right click, subset settings. So if you set these up to automatically assign the ID and to use the preview and IDs of upper levels, then it works automatically. And you can just grab hold of a drawing, move it, and it just updates automatically. This is really cool and it's very effective, and it means that you don't ever have to go back and check the numbering of your drawings. You just get them in the right order and they automatically update. Thanks for watching.